welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hi sunshine, how have you been? Hope you have an amazing week. If you're not yet a subscriber, my name is Mwende. I shoot awesome videos, awesome videos. You can just click the icon here to subscribe and join the sunshine family. There's always room for everyone. Yo, subscribe. Anyway, so today I want us to shoot part 3 of the easy, simple DIY budget hairstyles you can do for yourself, by yourself, at home for the festive season. So we'll be doing Bantu knots. So as usual, let's go straight to the video. So the things we'll be using: TCB, leave-in treatment, I don't know if it can be seen, then TCB coconut oil as usual, tcb argan oil, the combination works for me, and then lastly sheer moisture black castor oil. So you take a container, put all the 3 oils and mix it up really well. Then some water for spraying the hair. So the hair I have made 2, so I'll show you how to make 2 like others. So undo your hair. They don't need to be in a bun, they don't need to be straight, and then the smaller and tighter they are, the better the curls. So let's cut a portion of the hair. Portion. Then you can put the rest of the hair back. So take the water, spray your hair with the water. Take a white tooth comb, detangle from the edges going side. Then how big is this? I feel like this is too big for the front. Divide the hair in half. Yes, so done that. Take the concoction of oils, put some oil. Like make sure it's moist, it's drenched in oil. Take a brush, brush it. This helps straighten the hair, and when your hair is straight it gets curls better. Divide it into 2 sections. Again, doesn't have to be accurate. Then twist the hair on itself, like make a twist. Then coil at the end. Then now coil your hair to make another part. And coil. That's simple. Let's do another one. Brush, some water, the oils, brush it nicely. Divide it in half, then twist. Twist on itself. Get to the end, make a coil, then coil the hair onto itself. Make sure it's as tight as possible, then just coil it. That's it. So I'll continue, finish the rest of my head, then I'll just show you how it goes. So guys, that's it. Once you Bantu knot your full head, it should look something like this. Like I said, the smaller and tighter they are, the better they'll turn out. So then you take a bandana. This is my favorite bandana. And then just wrap your head and sleep. Then we'll remove them tomorrow. So yeah, it's the next day. Remove. So they look like that. If you put a bandana, they won't get spoiled. So for removing, make sure you take the concoction, put some little oil on your hands, just kidogo, then just coil, open the coil, then divide it in half. That's it. And you can turn the coil So let me undo everything, then I come back. Take a jerry comb, it's called a jerry comb, and just tease so that you can have the spaces, you fill the spaces out. So you're not combing, you're just putting to make sure you have no spaces in your hair. So if you can see, it's that. That's it, so that you have no spaces. Changing that for all the corners. Yes. Then styling. Thank you. Okay, when you have natural hair, you need a lot of bobby pin, so I prefer pinning one side. So which side? Here I just put it like that, then pin, pull again. Let's do two sides. Bobby pins again. Pull and put. Pull. Fluff it. Oh, that's it. Let me show you the final product. You just put a decor here. So let me give you a turn around to see. Yes, all you need is your hair, oils that you usually use, and a comb and bobby pins. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This will be the end of the series. Do let me know if you'd like to see more easy budget DIY hairstyles. And as usual, thank you for watching and bye.